Chairman will do that for us. Bye.
Good afternoon.
Your Excellency, we are here to Anambra governorship election. Senator Andy Uba. Your Excellency, Anambra used to be our weakest link, but it may interest you to note that since after concluding our primaries, we've been receiving new entrants into the party. Particularly last week, we received Senator Stella Odua, a sitting senator of the Federal Republic, and also we received Senator Joy Imodi, among others leaders that we received in and still counting. Excellency, Anambra is ripe for us to win because we are doing our best to ensure that all the leaders are working together to ensure that APC succeeds at the end of the day. We are here for your blessing. We are here for formal presentation of luck to the candidate, for the campaign council to continue with the good work they are doing under the leadership of Governor Hope Uzodimma, who is working tirelessly day and night to ensure the success of the party, not only in Anambra State, but in the entire southeast of the country. Thank you, sir.
Yes. I'm particularly very glad this afternoon being in this delegation, and only to assure Mr. President and the leadership of our party our loyalty, undiluted loyalty to our great party, and to go out there in Anambra State to take the message of the party to the people and convince the people to buy our message that will now translate to election victory by November. Mr. President, we have a good product. We've done our homework very well. We've converted so far majority of the political class in Anambra State into believing our story. By the grace of God, all things being equal, we will come out very successful, and they will not betray the confidence reposed on us by the party. So we want to thank Mr. President for all your support. We want to thank you particularly for the integrity and the honor you have as a human being in Nigeria. Your name has opened many doors for us. All the things you've done in the past. In fact, most people that joined us today joined us because they believe in your integrity and they believe that working with you, Nigeria will be better. Thank you, Mr. President.
I'm particularly happy today because I know how steadfast Andy has been, and I formally welcome you with great pleasure for winning the candidature, to participate as a gubernatorial candidate of your state. I certainly wish you the best of luck, and I will very closely continue to follow you. I'm anxious for your success. Thank you very much.
After this finish with the audit, you can proceed.
Ocean State.
Well, if you talk about we are not divided, and I will tell you for sure that we are not divided. At the end, everybody will see that we are not divided. We're going to win Anambra State. APC will win Anambra State under me. Well, we've been talking with the governor of Imo State here, has called us. He can tell you we've had meetings, we've agreed on what we are going to do. That's why I said there are many things you can't say here, but we've agreed on what we are going to do. So let the governor explain to you what is done. Thank you.
Let me also just interject a little bit. Following the last question you asked, the business of winning a state election cannot be achieved by one family, no matter how united or how strong that family is. But as concerns the Uba family, we have a reconciliation committee. Consultation is ongoing. But when you talk of family here, the political family is APC. You may be a biological brother, but you're not a member of my party. It doesn't mean that you are my brother, politically speaking. So as APC as a family, we are united, and we're going to unite more in Anambra State. And by the grace of God, we will win the election. Thank you.
And I has a very cordial relationship. For the sake of the party, we've come and said that we're going to work together to make sure our party wins. So we have a cordial relationship, Chris and I. Well, I was surprised at the endorsement of Mr. President. What he said to me today came from his heart. You know, everybody was shocked at what he said. He said, I've been looking forward to seeing you, looking forward to working with you, and I wish you well. I'll be following you so that at the end, Anambra will be APC state. I was shocked at that.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.